Guys, sakay na kami oh. Gawin na kami ng Macau. Macau Taipa. Okay, immigration. Immigration sa Macau. Guys, ito na kami sa Macau. Ito na kami. Baba na ako tayo jet sky. Pasyal time na naman. Here in Macau. Stop. Kala ko pababa, diretso lang pala.
Hi guys, welcome to my vlog.
Hi guys, welcome to your vlog. Vlog. Shout out, sir.
Shout out sa taga ano? Taga Cotabato yan.
Guys, sakay na kami papuntang papuntang bus service. Andito na kami sa Macau sa station departure hall. So ganda guys, laki. I'm here na sa Macau. Ito ang aming tourist bus. Guys, alis na kami. Ito na kami sa aming destination. Oras ngayon is 11:07 AM. Hey guys, pasyal naman muna kami dito sa Macau. Lakad-lakad pag may time. Liliit ang kalsada guys, oh. Saktuhan lang. Puro one way dito. Cementerio guys, oh.
Baka mawala.
Ambulansya. Tour guide namin yung may dalang bandera. Parkingan naman ito, no? Motociclos.
Tawid ka sama, kuya.
Oo, gusto mo sumama ka na eh. Diretso eh. Oh, guys. Pag may isang unit ka dito, okay na eh. Tama guys, oh, mga bus, saktuhan lang. Oh. Hindi ka pwede mag-counterflow dito. Pilipino lang ang malakas mag-counterflow. Ito naman kami guys. Okay.
Akala ko sa bus na tayo pupunta dito pala.
Oo. Kay Patrimonio. Basketball player naman muna pupunta natin yun. Oh. Patrimonio do Estado.
Yeah, let's wait together here.
Yan guys. Oh. Patrimonio do Estado.
Langaw pa rin dito. So when you walk down to the parking area, the right hand side should be a CR. If you need to go there, and then left hand side to CR bus. Okay?
Okay.
So let's go down.
Paano eh?
Yung tour guide namin parang ako lang oh. Kita rin yung buwan. Pababa daw kami dito. Dito kami mamasyal sa ilalim. Wow. Parang second floor na naman ang lalim ah. Second floor o third floor? Oh. Pala yung sasakyan namin dito pala. Kala ko nga, di ba masyal tayo? Dito pala tayo sasakay. Nahanap yung ano natin, sasakyan.
So when you arrive the second floor, restaurant's entrance, wait me a moment. You check the table first because sometimes it's very crowded. You need to wait a moment, okay? You can see what you guys think for, or maybe in the public square. They have some preparations because this Sunday in Macau we have a parade. We will dance dancing and the parade from Sinado to our south corner, from south corner to the west corner until Macau will passing by the tunnel again. And to the retreat area. And to hit the tunnel is starting through the highest hill in Macau Peninsula. Top here. On the middle of the hill there is some exercise equipment. To convene the elderly to move up during exercise. Government makes small people fly here. Not going to the top of the hill, just going to half the hill. 2 minutes to go. Okay, so you can see there is the university here. Our Polytechnic University is memory between China and Portugal's friendship. Before handover, Portuguese make some statue like this. On that time, they used a major purposes to transfer the money from Macau to Portuguese Association. So after handover, Macau government is very poor. Also, the money will transfer out until 2002, until the gambling license opened. And then secondary school and primary school. Okay. the school is free of charge, except some international schools. Area. Remember, we can take elevator up to the second floor. Okay. Okay, let's go. At the end of the road. When we turn in the corner, you can see the steps in our left-hand side. See, Our Lady Buddha in Macau style. This looks like Mother Mary.
Oh, yun pala. Lady Buddha nila. Ayun yung ano, statwa. Guys, so yung Lady Buddha nila.
Get the statue in our left-hand side. Okay, so for the statue later, you can see another statue will be in our right-hand side. There's a lion. So this is the MTM Grand Macau. Okay, those are every time talking about MTM, they will ask me, is Manila Pacquiao's boxing in Macau in MTM? Manila Pacquiao have boxing in Macau, but his boxing is not in MTM.
MGM.
Boxing is in Malaysia.
Diyan pala lumabas si Manny Pacquiao.
But more than 10 years ago. Long time ago. Okay, next to MTM Grand, here another hotel called the Mandarin Oriental Hotel. They link with a shopping mall called 31 Central. 31 Central, most of the vendors shops inside. You can see LV, Gucci, Hermes, Cartier, all in the 1 Central shopping mall. And then you can see the Elders Casino. This boa looks like bird cakes. Their new building, where this boa looks like Golden Bower. And then the chocolate color one is the Wii Hotel.
Run
And
Lisboa.
Bridge, another new building. Golden color one, Yahoo Treasure Island, the new hotel. And then AIE building. So you can see next to AIE building, there is a building on the top which is considered Croix. This is a hotel called Grand Empire with a casino inside. So one of the owner, maybe you know him, Jackie Chan.
Ayan guys, pupunta kami sa Macau Tower.
3 days later is the parade. The parade until this fall. Dancing, dancing ball here.
Ayan guys, Macau Tower. Takas. Iya, pag may mga concert dito guys.
Okay, so we will down here and then moving to the outdoor area for picture, okay?
Okay. Yan guys, dito naman kami ngayon sa Macau Tower. Yung kahapon ay sa Sky 100 sa Hong Kong, ngayon sa Macau Tower naman kami ngayon guys. Oh yeah. Ilang floor nga sir yung ano, Macau Tower? 124. 124. Tour guide namin guys. Oh.
Di ba?
Pwede na uling guys, dito kami ngayon sa Macau Tower. Picture tayo guys.
Wala complete sa lamig mo. I love lamig Charis. Nakakaligot na ako. Okay na sa lamig.
Hindi na sila ginaginit.
Guys, nandito tayo ngayon sa Macau Tower. Oh. Taas. Putik na yan. Haba. Ayan guys, oh. Macau Tower. Ito yung ganda ng Macau guys. Yan. Kanina pa, no? Yan yung bridge ng Macau. Yan yung kabilang bridge. Yun yung ano, nagduduksong sa Macau, Hong Kong, saka China. Yung mga kabilang bridge na yan. Nakakalula guys, pag talagang inano mo yung ano, sa sobrang taas talaga nitong tower. Oh.
Between our two islands is a reclaimed land called Copenhagen with 6.1 square kilometers. In this area, most of the building is the resorts. They contain shopping mall, hotels, and casino. So the first resort, Galaxy. Very huge and legend also. In Galaxy, there are more than 7 hotels inside.
Hanep. 7 hotel inside Galaxy.
This is the diamond lobby of the Galaxy.
Studio City.
Galaxy Pavilion.
Studio City.
And on the side is for the Studio City. You can see the Lampa Egg. The Lampa Egg is a Paris view. Yeah, 130 meters high. And then the Eiffel Tower, the last. This one, the new tower inside is a water park. And here is the Galaxy
guys, oh. Studio City, guys. Sa kabila naman, tower. Laki, oh. Laki ng statwa. Tapos Studio City. Okay, so MGM okay. Parisian. Ano ba Paris sa The Parisian? Guys, dito kami ngayon, oh. Aming Hotel Venetian. Hotel West Lobby. Daming tao, guys. Ang date namin. Ganda rito, guys. Ano yan? Ha?
Power bank.
Power bank? Yaman mo naman, may bangko ka.
May bank. Sana all may power bank na lang. Kahit bank, power bank. Power na lang binabank.
Ayan, yung bandera namin, yun ang aming guide.
Elevator. Elevator only level 1 and level 2. So when you going up, turn to the left hand side, you also can arrive the Grand Canal shopping mall. Okay, so if the toilet upstairs,
The toilet on this floor, just in case we wait for you at 4:30, where's the toilet?
downstairs,
Okay.
turn to the right hand
So
side.
they have to come before.
This was just fine guy have. But you're not the case. Elevator.
Hi guys. Guys, nandito na kami sa loob ng casino. Kaya nga. Over pa lang. Langit na. Nasa loob kami ng building pero kala mo city. Itong loob. Itong Macau. Dami ng tao guys. Oh. Ay, pinakamahal na Victoria. Oh. Kaya ito rito may watch. Ayun mo, ihit tayo. Mamaya sir. Victoria. Armani. Alam mo sir?
Dito, pasok, left hand side.
Okay ma'am, thank you. Wow. Uubos talaga ang oras mo rito guys. Sa ganda. Sa Macau. Oh. Imagine nasa loob ko ng building, kala mo city na. May langit. Mido. Guys, tignan nyo naman. Kaganda ng relo dito. Kompleto, Citizen, Psycho. Oh, ha? So, 75. Ito ang selling price nito. $3,725. Ito pa lang yun, ha, ball. Lupit.